In this video, we're going to go over how quick and easy it is to change out the graphics in your game to best represent your branding and your promotion. Here we have a scratch-off game, but the setup and change out of the graphics is pretty much the same in all of the different games. You're going to start off in your home setup page. Here you see a button, click here to design, and that's going to take you to the device design page. First off, you see an upload image here button. That's where you're going to be doing most of the work to change out the graphics in the game. Over here you have a View Game Here button where you can see the edits as you go. This button will be on all the different pages so you can easily see the game as you edit it. Over here you have a zip file of the template images, and that's very helpful as it shows the shapes and sizes of the different images used in the game. If you run into questions on game design, you can always go back to the video on game design here. Let's begin by clicking Upload Images here to see the different images that can be changed out in the game. Here you see the coin that is used in the scratch-off, the background, the scratch-off panel, the reveal panels for each of the different prize offerings. Here you'll find that the reveal panels represent the 5 different levels of prize offerings. If you want less than 5 different prize offerings, simply replace these panels with transparencies and that will remove them. Each of these prize offerings are going to correspond to different URL redirects. When you know where each of the offering is going to be redirected to, you will fill out a form for us and we'll be happy to plug in the redirects. Down below that you have some confetti that comes out when the game is played. To change the appearance of the game, let's change out the background. To do that, go over to Choose File, go to a folder in your computer and select a new background. Click Change and that will load it up. Next we'll go to the Scratch-Off panel. Go down to the Scratch-Off panel, choose File, select a new one to replace it, and click Change. You'll notice that when you are doing this, it does not automatically refresh the images in the browser. To refresh the browser, you're going to hit Control F5 as I'm doing right now, and that will refresh those images. As I mentioned before, at any point during the editing, you can view your game. And so in just a few minutes, we went from this game to this game.